Live an optimal life through health and wellness. Be well, get well, and stay well.
So I've been a hairstylist for 45 years. And one of the most common things as we're all aging, the most common question people have is, or they make the first statement when they get in my chair is, my hair's thinning. And while we can automatically assume, it's partly hormones and everything, but there's more to it than that. There, as Dr. Bremhall was talking about barriers, what ends up happening as we go through these hormonal changes as women age, and then the younger men have the similar overload of testosterone that literally clogs the pores to the hair follicle and doesn't allow that hair, before it is exposed to oxygen, it's more of a liquid form. And if you have a buildup on your scalp, that hair cannot come through. It's not strong enough in its liquid form to force its way through that toxic buildup. So our True Science is an absolutely amazing product. And I often ask, people will say, well, do I have to buy all of them? Well, they work synergistically together, just like many of our other products. You need to have that clean cleansing agent to remove the toxins without stripping the full microbiome off of the scalp. And then you have to use, our conditioner does help balance that moisturizer on the scalp. And one thing that we all need to know is toxicity is super concerning when it comes to our scalp. Our scalp absorbs toxins in 5 seconds, while the rest of our body absorbs it in 20 seconds. So what we use on our scalp is even more important for not putting toxins on our scalp. And then the hair serum is those nutrients and that NRF2 activation that goes down the hair follicle and allows that nutrition to get to that hair. And if we don't remove those toxins by using the right shampoo, we can't get that serum where it needs to go. And what I've experienced with my clients, I've taken pictures of their scalp before they get on the hair care system. And then a month later, we start taking pictures, and my clients, I've had areas of the scalp that had literally no hair at all. And within a very short period of time, we're getting up to 5 hairs coming out of one follicle. I mean, we're like AstroTurf on steroids. So it's super exciting. And another thing that I have been noticing as I'm monitoring their results is the clients who are taking it internally as well are having more success and faster. So what you put in your body, it definitely is an inside outside game.
I love it. And thank you, Alison. And one other question, I know I asked you this a while back, people who are balding and they don't have any hair on their top, why should they use our products?
Well, again, it's nutrition. It's literally feeding the hair follicle, and it's nutrition for the scalp, that skin as well. Just like we're using the skincare on our face, we can use that hair care on the scalp. And I know there are some men that actually want to stay bald, and there's no time limit on how long you've been bald or had dormant hair follicles. If you have a hair follicle, there's a very good chance it could be a decade and you can still rejuvenate that hair.
That's awesome. So much. Thank you, Alison, for joining us tonight. Certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And remember, one change can have an enormous effect. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell and the like, and we'll see you next time on Love to Live.